What's good, y'all? It's your boy Get It Homegrown Style back here with another one. Today's a different type of video. I'm gonna let y'all in on one of my secret recipes, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna talk about the legendary pizza roll burrito. Alright, I got me some pizza rolls. A whole gang of them open this bad boy up. Well, bam! Yeah, let's get them in there. Let's get in there. Alright, I got them in there. Thought I'm on it for about 5 minutes. Ooh. Don't want to make a big old mess, you know what I'm saying? Boom. Get that going. Well, I got that going. Got me these tortillas. Boom. Come on, I'm a one-hand man. I gotta bear with it. I'm gonna throw them bad boys on there. And get that cooking. You know what I'm saying? Oh man, I forgot the sour cream. Let me get up in here. I know I got some. Where it at? Where it at? Ah, damn. Got it. Flip it. That tortilla already smell good. I'm probably gonna do 2 of these. I love these damn things. You know what I'm saying? Gotta heat them up like that. That's a good way. Man, you don't heat the tortillas, man. You missing out. Tell you what, move that one over. That one's done. I need one more. Boom. Oh man, I need the hot sauce. You know what I'm saying? Yo, what you know about the Cholula? You know what I'm saying? Man, I love these. Tell you what. I'm gonna try to do this without making a big mess. Hopefully I don't make a big mess. Y'all already know I don't like to make a big mess. Like I said, I'm a one-hand man. You know what I'm saying? Woo-wee. I got another 3 minutes on that. Got this cheese here. You know what I'm saying? Got the cheese. Gotta have the cheese. Yeah, open up. Alright, up, man. Yes. I got that cheese. Probably about that much. Maybe a little more, man. You know, gotta have the cheese. A little more cheese, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna heat this a little more. Try to get some of that cheese to melt. A little bit, at least, you know. Boom. Man, these gonna be some good burritos, man. I love burritos. Bam, look at it. Hold the burrito like a mug. Let's roll up, you know what I'm saying? Ready to roll up? It's almost time to roll up. Let me check the pizza rolls. Ooh-wee. Wow. I got some of these. Alright, some of these are ready to go. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah. Some of these ready to go. Let's do it like. Let's do this 3x3. Boom, boom, boom. Bam. That's it. Squish them. I'll still be able to roll that. Watch. I can roll. Please be open. Oh, damn. Let's see if there's an open one. Hey, there's gotta be an open one, you know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. I got it on deck. Come on, one hand, man, yeah. Oh. Ooh, that shit look nice. All right. Hold on. All right, I got him. I got him. I'm pretty sure you already get the idea. Well, you watching this far, you know what I'm saying? Hit that like, you know, thumb it up. If you eat this anyway, hit that thumb up. You know what I'm saying? Chalua, mama. Look at boom. Watch how I roll up. I ain't see if I can do this. I'm trying to find a way to set y'all down. Keep the shot. Lean it on the cheese, man. I'll be able to do it. I'll be able to do it. I'll be able to do it. Damn. I need a tripod. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna have to do something here. Alright, I got it. Fold these sides. Boom. Bam. Fold these sides. Boom. Bam. You know what I'm saying? Burrito. Alright, I'll catch y'all on the next one. Much love.